Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to walk through Scout's 357 LXF. We have Mercury's V10 triple 400 package with joystick. Nice live well, 2 fish boxes, and a half facing seat. Here, seat pulls out. We have a swim door moving forward in the boat. 2 Garmin GPS chart plotter fish finders. Really spacious cabin for the overnight boating. Forward, we have a real nice sun lounge, bow seating. Cushions are not on the boat right now, but this table is also high-low. With a push of a button, it will come up and you can enjoy a nice day out in the water. Come see us at MarineMax in Huntington. Thank you.